Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing something very exciting with you. I am going to be unboxing, or as you can probably tell, pretend to be unboxing because, well, I just couldn't help myself when they arrived, some PJs that I received from Private Storey. So, first things first, let's talk about customer service. Customer service was really great. I had so many questions about their products and the sizes and how long it would take to ship, and they were very helpful and very prompt with all of their responses as well. And the delivery actually came quite quickly. So I don't think they're shipping from Australia. I have a feeling it's from America, but I could be wrong. So I was expecting to wait weeks and weeks or months and months for it to arrive. And I believe it was only around 2 weeks for it to come from the time that I was speaking to them to the time that I received it, which is really great and perfect timing for this festive season as well. So let's get into the box. So it came in this beautiful box here, and from looking at the box, you're probably like, there's not really that much in there, but I cannot believe how much they have managed to put inside this beautiful box. And when I received it, it actually came packed really nicely, and because I couldn't help myself, I took everything out because I wanted to try everything on before coming on here and speaking about it. And also I just wanted to share it with you on Instagram as well. So as soon as I opened it all, I laid it all out and made a few Instagram stories, and I had so many people message me from those stories, people asking questions about them or which ones they were exactly on the website that I bought, and also people telling me that they went on to buy the same ones, which is so exciting when that happens as well. So I'm going to open it up. So they obviously gave me a cute little card, and I ordered a few, or 2 sets I ordered. So one was this beautiful long sleeve pajama top, which comes with matching pants as well. Itchy nose. With these beautiful pants as well. So they are long and they are so soft. So you know when you shop online and it's quite hard to, you have to have a lot of trust in the company and to make sure that everything is going to arrive to you how it looks as well. And I think that these products actually look better in person than they do on the website, and their website was already amazing. Like, I think I spent over an hour on their website, and I think I ended up adding like over 10 items to my cart, and then I was like, no, control yourself, like only a few. But now that I know how great the quality is, I will definitely be back there. And did I show you what came with this? Here, so they added in a little accessory as well. So they've added in a matching headband, which goes with this set here. And I'm not sure if that was just part of their Black Friday sale or if it's something that is going to be an ongoing thing. But yes, they did send me a matching hair accessory, which is so nice because when you're in your pajamas and you're getting ready for bed and you're putting on a face mask or you're washing your face and you want to get your hair out of the way, then this is perfect for it, and why not look cute at the same time in your matching pajamas. Now, the second set that I ordered was this beautiful set here, and these are extra accessories which I'll speak about in a second that I got with the set. So it came with, it's a 4-piece set, so it comes with a top, short sleeve top, a robe, which they messaged me, I didn't realise this at the time when I ordered it, but you can have your name personalised onto the back of it, which is so perfect for anything like bridal parties, or even if you want to do a special gift for someone, or even if you just want to treat yourself. And when I say treat, their prices are so affordable. Like, I had to double check that it was in Australian dollars. I did not believe that all of this was that price. So crazy. Also part of this 4-piece set is this cute little singlet here. So that came with it as well. And then of course little shorts here as well. So, and then this is a tie for the robe that they've just put in separate, which I think is a nice idea, also so it doesn't get crinkled. And speaking of crinkled, when everything came, because it was packed so nicely, everything like hardly anything was creased. Like everything was just so nice and ready to wear. I'm making a mess of it right now with all of this stuff that I'm putting everywhere. Accessories. So they gave me a mask, an eye mask, and I'm so excited because I've been looking for this for so long, so many different places, and I have been struggling a little bit to find one that I like. I've sort of almost purchased a few and then decided I didn't really like them, and the fact that they've popped this in here is perfect, and now I don't need to worry about getting one that's like neutral in colour to all my pajamas because it goes with everything. And this beautiful scrunchie as well. So now let's talk a little bit about the size as well. So when I tried them on, because I have had some experiences in the past where I have ordered pajamas online that were a little bit cheaper, because I have to say, like, this is such an affordable price for what you're getting, and they have arrived and the sizes weren't quite right. They were too small, the pants weren't long enough for me because I'm quite tall, and yeah, nothing was really quite right, so it was a little bit of an underwhelming experience. Whereas here the sizes are true to size, so if you are a size medium, get a size medium because everything fits perfectly, and the length is good as well. There has been so many PJs that I've bought in the past online and they come way too short. Like they just look like 3/4 length pants on me, and it's not really the look that I'm going for. So these pants here are all the way to the bottom, which is great. Both the shorts and the pants are both elastic waist as well, which is super nice because at the end of the day, yes, you want to look good, but you also want to be comfortable. Like they are pajamas, so that is great as well. And I think that's all of the main points that I did want to cover with you. So if you do have any questions about the pajamas, do let me know and I will do my best to help answer those. And if I can't, then of course I'm sure that the lovely team at Private Storey would be more than happy to answer them for you. And I am actually about to take some photos in these pajamas, so if I am organized enough by the time this video is up, I will try to insert the photos here somewhere, and if they're not here, then you know that I didn't get the photos ready in time. So I think that does conclude this part of the video. I did want to mention as well, I'm sure you've seen at the end of my videos, I am trying to grow my channel. So what I'm doing is I'm hosting a weekly giveaway, and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video or my latest video, and comment with a love heart emoji. Then if you are already following me on Instagram, just send me a DM and let me know that you've entered, and I will be announcing a new winner every week. So I will be picking out one gift to send the winner, and all you have to do is subscribe, like my latest video, and comment with a love heart emoji on the video. And that would mean so much to me if you could do that, and your support means so much to me as well. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope you have found some pajamas if you like, or if you're in the market for pajamas, I would highly recommend. I think Mum is already having a look at some as well. And I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!